Hey guys, this is a quick look at the Cyrusher Rumble. This bike is powered by a 500 watt motor back here in the back and 18 amp hour battery. Combined, it gives you plenty of range and plenty of power. Unless you live in a really hilly area, 500 watt motors should do you just fine. Moving up here to the front, we do have 20x4 tires. We have hydraulic disc brakes, which is really nice. We do have suspension forks. They included this basket for me, but for you, I think it's going to be an accessory item you would have to purchase separately. I really like the telescoping handlebar stem right here. It allows you to adjust for different heights, different riders, get you at a different comfort level depending on where you want your arms to be placed. More about that in a moment. We have a cushion, a seat right here that is pretty soft. No need to upgrade that at all. It does come with a rear rack and an integrated taillight right back here. The fenders are plastic. Moving back up here to the front, we do have ergonomic grips. It's got some rubber on those, makes it easy to grab hold of. We have a nice little button pad here we've seen before. It's got all the controls at your fingertips. We've got a good solid brake pull right there, so we know the brakes will engage and stop us when needed. Over here we do have a 7-speed SIS shifter, and we do have a right-handed twist throttle right there. The color display is super nice. Haven't seen one quite like this before. Nice and colorful. You can see it in the daytime just fine. You can also see it at night. Shows up just nice. I really like it. So you can see your top speed of about 22 miles per hour. You have 5 levels of pedal assist. Yeah, overall, this is a great bike. Best feature about this bike is that it is sub $1,000. You can get this right now for $999. And for a $999 e-bike, I think it is a really good deal. So make sure you go out there and check it out.